Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow overlapping sprints into our Agile plugin. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to show you in detail how it is working. Okay, so there are a couple of steps that needs to be done. So we have to enable, disable the option, and I'm going to show you how the feature works. Okay. So for this purpose, I'm going to use our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. Yeah, you are actually able to test it and use it anytime. And the credentials are username admin and password admin. They are automatically filled. However, just for information for you to know it. Okay. So, firstly, I would like to show you what is the behavior before we enable this feature. Okay, so I go to our Agile project and then go to the settings of this project. Okay, and now I click on sprints. We see that we have 3 sprints now, sprints 1, 2, and 3. And please uh, take a note of the start and end date of every sprint. So the first one is on 4th of August 2026 and is ending on 18th of August. The next one is starting the next day on the 19th of August and is ending on 26th, and the next one is starting the next day on the 27th of August and is ending on 19th of August. Okay, so there is no overlapping. You see that every sprint has its time to be done. But what if you have and need to overlap some sprints? Let's try and see. For example, we're going to put a start date in between these dates. For example, on the 15th of August. Let's start and see what is going to happen. So we select the start date to be, let's say, 14th of August. So it is in between the dates that are set, and date could be on September, let's say 5th of September 2026. So let's try and see what is going to happen. So we have a warning message that is saying sprint dates are cross another existed sprint. Okay, so currently it is not possible to create such thing. And yeah, if we change the dates, um, for example, 1 second, please. For example, if we put a start date to be 20th of August, that is going to be after sprint 3 is over, then everything is going to be fine. Okay, so let's try and see. So we put here 20th of August, and the end date is um, September, let's say 10th of September 2026. Uh, hmm, let's say 21st here. Actually, maybe there are some sprints that are in other projects and they are shared with all projects and we are crossing their dates. Okay, so that's why there is such message. There could be some sprints that could be global, and yeah, you see the sharing option here, so they could be shared with all projects, and actually we don't know this. And uh, imagine if you have not 3 but if you have 1000 sprints and there are a lot of dates that are crossing, and yeah, if you try to just put new sprint and sharing with all projects, and it is not possible for you, because what if you, no matter what you set, then everything will be crossing with another sprint dates. So it is going to say sprint dates are cross another existed sprint. Okay, so if you'd like to just eliminate this thing, then you have to go to administration here on the top right corner and select the Agile, and here you will see the allow overlapping sprints feature. So currently it is disabled, so please make sure to enable this feature, all right? And then click on apply. Successful update, so we see that allow overlapping sprints is now enabled. So let's go back and see what is happening on our Agile board and plugin. Okay, so I click sprints now and try to create the new sprint that is crossing the dates of another sprint. Okay, so we got start date 14th of August and make end date September 12th. Okay, and year is 2026. Okay, so sharing with all projects, status open, let's create. So we see that there is no problem of creating this sprint. So it is definitely crossing the dates of the other sprint, because we see that this one is between um, 19th and 27th um, of August, and this one that we created is starting on 14th of August. So it is starting 5 days before this sprint is going to end. So in this situation, you are able to create new sprints no matter what are the start and end dates of other sprints. So as I said, if you have thousands of projects and hundreds and thousands of sprints and dates, you will not know uh, which one is starting, which one is ending. It could be some mess for you. But if you enable this feature, there is no problem for you to create a new sprint and be sure that everything will be fine. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. It was about showing you the allow overlapping feature of Agile plugin. And if you have some questions or problems about this feature, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you anytime, as always. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.